Wild West was notorious for its violence and bloodshed, and the saloons were no exceptions. These establishments were often the scene of brawls, shootouts, and other violent altercations. Gunslingers and outlaws would frequent saloons, looking for trouble or a place to hide from the law. These incidents were not uncommon, and they contributed to the saloon's dangerous reputation. There are many factors that could lead to violence in the saloon. Alcohol was a significant contributor, as it could make people more aggressive and impulsive. Additionally, the saloon was often the only source of entertainment in small towns, and people would gather there to socialize and blow off steam. This could lead to conflicts between different groups of people, such as cowboys and miners. Finally, some individuals would come to the saloon looking for trouble, either to settle a score or to prove their toughness. Violence in the saloon would take many forms, from fistfights to full-blown shootouts. Brawls were common, as patrons would get into argument and then start throwing punches. In some cases, these fights could escalate into gunfights, especially if the parties involved were armed. Shootouts were often the result of disputes over money or women, and they could be deadly for those involved and innocent bystanders. Guns were an integral part of life in the Wild West, and the saloon was no exception. Many patrons could carry guns with them, either for protection or to show off their powers. This meant that a dispute that might have ended in a fist fight in other parts of the country would quickly escalate into the gunfight in the saloon. Additionally, saloons often had gun racks or lockers where patrons could store their weapons while they drank. This made it easy for someone to retrieve their gun during an altercation. Saloon owners and law enforcement officials tried various methods to prevent violence in these establishments. One common approach was to ban guns from the premises, either by requiring patrons to check them at the door or by posting signs prohibiting firearms. Some saloon owners would also hire bouncers or security personnel to keep the peace. Finally, some towns would pass ordinances regulating the sale of alcohol or limiting the hours that saloons could operate. Of these methods, the most effective way to prevent violence in the saloon was to ban guns from the premises. This would eliminate the most deadly weapon from the equation and force patrons to rely on their fist or other non-lethal means to settle disputes. Additionally, posting signs prohibiting firearms would serve as a deterrent to those looking for trouble and would make it clear that the establishment did not tolerate violence. While hiring bouncers or passing ordinances could be helpful, these measures would not address the root cause of the problem, which was the presence of guns in the saloon. If you enjoyed this journey into the lesser-known aspects of the Wild West, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of American Wild West.